How's it going, you guys? I'm over here at All American Truck and Auto Parts. We just got this one in. It is a 2006 Chevy. Got a lot of good parts on here. Go onto our website, 559parts.com. 559parts.com. Good tail lights. You could also come on down to with us at All American. Give us a call. Remember, 559parts.com, or just look us up. Look us up on Google, on the internet. We're out here in Fresno. There's a good bumper right here. Remember, you guys, don't forget that website, 559parts.com. Good interior stuff right here. And come on down or give us a call. All American Truck and Auto Parts. Look us up online. Don't forget, 559parts.com, or look us up online, All American Truck and Auto Parts. We're also on Instagram, 559parts. YouTube, where you can check out our videos, all our inventory. You could also find us on Facebook. Make sure you guys hit that follow, like button, subscribe to our channel, so you guys don't, hit that bell, make sure so you guys don't miss anything. All right, guys.